April 21st, 2019. A morning like any other. The streets of Colombo slowly stirred. Vendors opened their stalls, and the sun painted gold across the rooftops. It was Easter Sunday, a sacred day. A day for prayer, peace, and family. No one knew how quickly everything would change. Inside the churches, there was peace. Hands held rosaries. Voices whispered prayers. The faithful bowed their heads, grateful for grace, seeking strength. And in that silence, there was hope. And then, in a blink, everything changed. The stillness shattered. A thunderous rupture tore through the walls of faith. Glass exploded, light turned to dust, screams echoed. In seconds, lives were lost. Dreams gone. Innocence shattered. Smoke filled the air. Sirens cried through the streets. But even amidst the chaos, heroes emerged. Strangers pulled strangers from rubble. Hands reached through dust and darkness. Some gave blood. Others gave comfort. We came together, broken, but not alone. They tried to divide us, but we stood together. Faiths stood side by side, Buddhist monks, Christian priests, Muslim leaders, all as one. We lit candles. We held hands. We remembered, not with hate, but with hope. From Galaface to Negombo, from Colombo to Batacaloa, we remember the light, the love, the lives. To those we lost, may you rest in peace. To those who survived, may your strength carry us forward. Your memory lives in our prayers, in our voices, in our hearts. We are Sri Lanka, and we are unbreakable.